Hello and welcome to this week's edition of BOI Impact. I am Hadiza Olaoshebikom. Tonight, we shall be showcasing a company that has continued to set the pace in the confectionery industry, a company that has 100 products in the market with more than 1,000 distributors spread across Nigeria, a company that employed about 8,000 staff before the intervention of the Bank of Industry, but today now boasts of engaging more than 11,000 workers. Yes, you heard me correctly, more than 11,000 workers. The company is Sumal Foods, located at Oluyole Industrial Estate, Ibadan, the Oyo State capital. Sumal Foods was founded by Mr. Sohail Joseph Nasser 40 years ago in 1981, and in 1989 he collaborated with Mr. Nohad Nasser to expand the business. The company is known for high-quality biscuits, wafers, chewing gum, toffees, and most recently, bread. But aside from these products, the company caters to several leading companies under such brand names as Yale Foods and Vital Foods, producers of the popular well-known Digestive biscuits, Malted Milk biscuits, Robot gum, Twist bubble gum, lollipops, cough drops, and a lot more. There's quite a lot to learn from Sumal Foods' highly inspirational success story. Don't go away. Sumal Foods Limited is well equipped with latest technology and equipment for effective quality control measures that guarantees constancy of its widely acknowledged standard products.
Where I am staying is a mixing session. We are producing bubble gum with the raw material gum-based bubble gum maize and sugar milled sugar powder and calcium powder and flavor. All these are the main ingredients. Then there is a way we used to mix our bubble gum. First of all, we make our gum base soft. After softening the gum base, we will put it in our mixing pot. Then we will add all other remaining ingredients. We have glucose, sugar, and all other ingredients we will mix, and we will make like a bubble gum paste. Here we are producing banana bubble gum. So this bubble gum is a mix. I told you it's a bubble gum mix. We will make like a small slice and we put it in the oven, put it in the extruder machine. After extruding, it will come like a screw. Then it will come like a rope. It will be outcome like this. The gum is output like this, coming same rope. This bubblegum mix we normally put in our extruder to make like a same rope. Then we will pass through cooling tunnel. This is our cooling tunnel. It's passing the gum, passing the rope. The same rope we will use UN machine to wrap and make like a product.
The general manager of Sumal Foods Limited, at an interview with the BOI Impact crew, explained why Nigeria was chosen for business.
My MD was in Nigeria and he decided to stay in Nigeria because he was quite familiar with Nigeria because the population is big and we have raw materials availability is there and we can easily give to the other countries and good environment, population environment, working environment is the other one. He decided to continue in Nigeria. We started from 1981, that time. My chairman, he was in Nigeria and also, he's an enthusiastic person and, he always wanted to progress and do something for Nigeria. And that is the reason he started the chewing gum factory here. From here, we are giving them, I think our product initially, everybody in the Africa, all this region, everybody know our robot and twist bubblegum. It was a good brand, and even so many people are still remembering the taste of that one, and we are still keeping the same taste. So our quality, that is the standard. Our quality standard is the one make us to progress. So from that one we have progressed to our another chewing gum factory, where they are making the chiclets and balls, and then we started a biscuit line. From there we started a wafer, and we diversified. Without diversification you cannot progress. That is our belief. So we wanted to progress, and with new products, new ideas. That's why we have a good team, and that's our belief. That is why we started the journey. Now we are presently at this position. Only the prices might have escalated from that time to this time, but the quality and ingredients are the same. That's our success. We don't change anything. When climatic conditions are changing, economical conditions are changing, but we don't play with quality. Quality is the same. So that is our success. So Sumal, our idea is that a customer come to Sumal, he can buy everything here. We have all the type of product here. So when the people go there, we assure our biscuits are on high standards, and it is for at least the average children and the average boss. They are fully satisfied with our product. And once you go to the Yale distributor, Yale, you will get everything. You will get chewing gum, you will get toffee, you will get biscuit, different brands, wafers, bread, everything. We have a good basket to give.
The company buys 70 to 80% of its raw materials in the local market, then process them through the most effective machinery and high quality Nigerian workforce.
Up to 70 to 80% we are sourcing locally. Including we have sugar, flour, everything, most of the things. But some key ingredients like flavors and some specific ingredients which can keep the quality intact, that is the one we don't play with that one. So we always import that one. All other raw materials are whatever, even cassava flour we are using, cassava starch we are using. So whatever locally somebody can give, we always like to use it. We have very few 2% from outside, that's all. All other technical staff, including main staff, all are our good Nigerian staffs. Not only Nigerian, maybe some people are from the other neighboring countries also are here. Our all skilled people are, everybody is from Nigeria. We like to train them, we like to promote them, we like to give them more opportunities, so we are okay.
All you can see far is all for the flour, the water, the fat and other ingredients. They're going to be mixed in that two mixer at 800 kilogram batch at time, and then they come out to enter in that open. Right now it's stop. Bread, there are very few ingredients. There is notably water, flour, fat, yeast, some few other ingredients. Then it will be mixed. One time mixed, it will be cut in size pieces, and then it go into fermentation. In the fermentation, you get is a full volume, then it will be baked. After baked, it will be wrapped under very strict hygienic measure, and then it will be put in the carton. That is the process of the bread. All the process from the beginning at the end is last at least 4 hours. Then the production line, both they can reach at 1.5 million bread per day, means 150,000 cartons. At the present we are not in full capacity because we are making some modification to the plant. We are installing another new chiller in the back. But when it is full capacity, I'm very confident we are going to reach 1.5 million bread per day. Because of the process that is done in very septic way, it can last more than 1 month. We have experienced even 42 days. Then
but not because there is any chemical inside. It's only because, as you see, from the forming to the packing, there is no handling. The handling or the presence of the people near the hot bread put a microorganism and a spore on the bread and making the bread spoil. We are staying far from the bread as much as possible in order to give a long shelf life. The chewing gum factory is also, we have a mix some ingredients, generally sugar, glucose, flavor, gum base and other small ingredients, and then it will be mixed for a long time until it become very well connected to each other, and then it's going to be extruded by a machine and cut pieces and then wrap it. Actually in the West Africa, by capacity. Like in biscuit, you have the biscuit in the West Africa. We can produce more than 1 million kilogram biscuit per day, 1,000 tons a day.
With what you have watched so far, one can rightly say the mission of Sumal Foods, which is to become a distinctive company in manufacturing and making pastries, sweets and toffees that distributes worldwide and fulfills customers' expectations, is quite apt. The Group General Manager Accounts, Akin Akintayo, spoke on the brand and its expansion plans.
Presently, we are producing chewing gum and various brands of biscuits and bread. And we have our customers located across the country, and we are planning to expand our frontier by engaging the markets in the West African sub-region, where we want to explore those markets as well. We are in the process of doing that, and hopefully within the shortest possible time, we'll be able to export our products to various countries of Africa.
He said the company's engagement with the Bank of Industry has been rewarding.
Bank of Industry has been a reliable partner. Our engagement with BOI has been very, very rewarding over the years, and because BOI has assisted us in getting machineries to expand our production capacity, and so far so good. We have enjoyed the relationship. It's been quite rewarding. Specifically speaking, since our interaction with BOI, we've been able to expand our production lines, thereby increasing our production capacity and enhancing greater sales, much better sales of our products. And we've been able to even introduce new products into the economy, and that has greatly increased our market shares. You know, and we've been able to have increased production, and you know that has really helped us. Before we were about 8,000 staff, but now that we have Bank of Industry, you know, assisting us, we have close to 10 to 11,000 staff. Bank of Industry has assisted us greatly in providing funds to increase our production capacity by bringing in, new machineries and equipment, for the production of our chewing gum and biscuits and bread. Bread, as we know, is an household item. Every family in Nigeria eats bread. And our immediate plan is to increase our production line of bread. And we are looking forward to Bank of Industry assisting us in this manner. We've tested it, we've seen that bread is selling and people are buying it. So that is for bread. And again, we are looking at the production of wafer biscuits. There are a lot of foreign products here and there in Nigeria presently, but we are not moved. They are not threats to us because we have three things working for us. One, we have good pricing, we have good service delivery, and then we have quality products. These are the three things that are going on for us, that are helping us. And based on that, we are not threatened. So we are envisaging that very, very soon, we are going to approach Bank of Industry again for assistance in funding the machineries and equipment for the production of bread and these wafer biscuits.
He mentioned some of the steps being taken by the company to support government and its host community.
In line with our corporate social responsibilities, we also assisted the government. We provided food materials worth millions of naira to assist the government and the masses. And then we made provisions for thousands of nose masks, among other things. So we did our own best to assist the government, at least to alleviate the suffering of the people during the pandemic. That was what we did then. And we are still willing to do more, as time goes on. Even though before the pandemic, we used to embark on this corporate responsibility plan for the community, our host community. We built centers for them, and then we engaged some in training some of the children around the community, train them, and ensure that things go well between us and the host community. If a bank or an institution is on ground to provide low-cost fund, we all should be grateful for that. Our company has been paying back as at when due, and we've never defaulted for one day. And we don't have any plan to default, of course. And that is why we are bold to ask for more. And so that, we believe in a symbiotic relationship with the bank.
One huge advantage Nigeria has is its large population of 200 million plus, indeed making our dear country a huge market for competitive quality goods. This explains why a company like Sumal Foods, which started 40 years ago in 1981 with only 3 products, now produces a wide range of different quality products in the Nigerian market and possibly beyond. The market for confectionaries in particular is quite huge, and it is worth venturing into. It is therefore not surprising that the Bank of Industry is supporting Sumal Foods, whose operations have considerable developmental impact, including huge employment generation capacity and extensive value chains that presents windows of opportunities for SMEs that have considerable potential multiplier effects. During the interview, you heard how Sumal Foods has, through research and development, kept striving to improve the quality of its product in order to keep competing favorably with imported brands in the market. Remember, if you patronize made in Nigerian products, more jobs will be created for Nigerians, the national economy will continue to strive, and most importantly, the Naira will be strengthened and the much needed foreign exchange will be conserved and possibly generated through exports. Till we come your way again next week, please stay safe and continue to observe the COVID-19 protocols. Remember, a healthy nation is a wealthy nation. I am Hadiza Olaoshebiko. Bye for now.